Hello everyone. In this session, we'll see another question on vectors in planes and space. So this question is, find the length, or I'll say the distance, of the plane from the origin. It is 3x plus 4y plus 12z equal to 52, right? Now, we know that the general expression or equation for a plane which is at a distance of d with the normal n is given as r dot n cap equal to d. So with r is equal to components x, y and z, if we check this equation again, we can reform this as 3x plus 4y plus 12z divided by under root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square equal to 52 by the same 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. Why did we do this? Because this is not in the standard form of equation. This is the standard form of equation where the normal vector is supposed to be unit vector, and this can be proved by the components 3, 4 and 12. 3, 4 and 12. These three are direction ratios. They are not the component of a normal vector. So in that case, if the equation is given as r dot n equal to d, this can be transformed into standard form as r dot n by mod of n equal to d by mod of n, and this is nothing but the distance of the plane from the origin, right? So this is that d, this value is that d, and this is going to be 52 by, this is going to be 13, so this is going to be 4. So that will be the answer, right? Under root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square will give you this much. So this is nothing but the small d, and this is what we are looking for. That's it. This is the answer.